Hello, my name is Sammy from North Dakota State University's Department of Coatings and Polymeric Materials. Right here I have a stereolithographic printer which I use for my research. And my research involves synthesizing resins from bio-derived sources, in this case soybean oil, and formulating them so that they can be used for stereolithographic printing. And if you're unfamiliar with how stereolithographic printing works, to put it simply, you have a build platform seen here, as well as a vat which is filled with your pre-polymer formulation, so that's why it's called vat polymerization. This build platform will lower itself and submerge itself into the vat of pre-polymer, and a laser from underneath will cure a layer of polymer or cured thermoset onto the build platform. And this layer is actually a slice of a CAD file, and once that slice is completed, the platform will raise, delaminate itself from the vat, and complete the process by lowering and curing once again until you have a three-dimensional object. And I have completed a print. So here are some tensile samples of one of our soybean oil derived resins that I've synthesized and formulated for SLA. So I'll be able to look at the mechanical properties of this cured thermoset and compare it to conventionally derived conventional petrochemically derived SLA inks, and see how our materials compare to it. So thank you for listening.